Hey guys, today's video is going to be a 207 on converting or transitioning the T1 channel bank here at Sealer over to the MPLS T1 cards. So we're just going to get right into it. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to confirm the assignments for the drawings that we have the channel bank on 16 and the DAX connection that feeds the channel bank on 21. And come over here, make sure your TCOM is in bridge mode. You come over to the monitor port on the miscellaneous equipment. You'll see 16 and 21 flash together, let you know that they're tied together. And you also can confirm, if you look on our T1 channel list, we have CHP channels at 11 and 12, and then send out a 1950 tone at -20, and we can confirm, yep, you're there on 11 and 12. So we have high confidence that this is correct, and that these are the T1s that will be interrupted. Now the next thing that we want to do after we confirm our T1 locations is to go ahead and test the MPLS T1 card and make sure the two T1s that are back to back pass the correct PSOs back and forth like they should. So what we're going to do for that is we're going to take our test lead. We're going to now come back into terminated mode, and we're going to come up on the MPLS jack field. And what we're going to do is we're going to test one way and then the other way. So we'll start with one in. So this is my transmit. Oh, before we do that, make sure you go through on your transmitter setup and confirm that it's ESF EATS, and for your transmit setup. On your receive setup, make sure it's locked to your transmitter number 1. So you know it's they're in sync. We don't have any timing issues. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take my transmit and I'm going to feed it into 1, and I'm going to proceed item 9. Now I'm going to pass a tone between them so that I know what's going on, and can confirm that they are on the right ones. So let me turn that volume down. I actually like to use radio because it's got kind of unique sound. But if you go through the channel list, what we'll find is there's only, let's see, 3, 6, 7 active channels on the 24 channels here. So we're going to just quickly go through and start with 1. So we've got 1, 2 knot, 3 knot, 4, it's good, 5 knot, 6 good, 7 good, 8 knot, 9 good, 10 good, 11, 12, both good, and the rest should be knot. And they are. And so that worked good for going from that one direction to the other. Now what we're going to do is we're going to switch, and we're going to feed number 9 and listen to the output of number 1. And go through the same channels again, and confirm that we don't have any missing channels. So we got 1, 2 knot, 3 knot, 4, 5 knot, 6, 7, 8 knot, 9, 10 knot, 11, 12, and the rest should be knot. Okay, and now we've tested the T1 bridges, and they work good in both directions. So we can unplug from there, and now we can get ready to set up our patch cables that we're going to use to interrupt the connection between the DAX and the T1 channel base. Now we can set up since without any interruption, we can go ahead and get our DAX, or I should say our MPLS jack field plugged in and ready to go. So we're going to be coming into 9, and we're going to use 1. Now, remember, we come from that, when we bridge T1s, we go output to input, input to output. So when you got your patch cable set up, you want to make sure you cross so that the bottom one is now on top. So I'm ready to go with this one. And on this particular one, we're going from number 1 over to 16. So I can pre-stage right here. Like so. Now this next one here, I'm going to be going from 9 to 21. And once again, I want the bottom one now to be on top, so that we do the cross. So if we come over here to 21 and I stage out, we're now ready to interrupt. And as soon as I plug in, we'll be inserting the T1 in the middle. So we're all ready to go. I've double confirmed everything. Let's just go for it. And see, sometimes it's not that easy. We got a T1 alarm on our DAX, which you would expect, because it's been interrupted. The T1 shelf over here is recovering, it appears. And our DAX is all happy now. And our T1 is all back to normal. Okay, so that was a successful interruption. If we wanted to, we could come over here and confirm that on the output of our DAX number 9, we got the CHP still there. There we are. So we're successfully coming into the T1, the MPLS, and coming back out, going to the DAX. So that's a good sign. Everything looks good. No issues. All right. So after we've done the patch, after we've done the patch, we now have a pattern here, which you can see, going from 9 to 21, and from 1 to 16. So over here on our jet field, wire wrap section, we're going to wire it exactly this pattern. So if we come over and take a look, starting with 1 at the top, what we're going to have is we're going to start with blue, then orange, and then green's going to be the last one here. I should cut that so it looks right. There we go. So that's the way it's going to look as we go at the top. Now as we come down to wire wrap at the bottom down here, we're going to flip that pattern. So now, instead of the blue being on the far right and the orange to the left, we're going to make down here orange to the far right and blue to the left, which is accomplishing our cross that we have to do. And once you get them wired up, what you can do is you can come over here and you can pull the patch cords one at a time and confirm that everything is still good. If there's something wrong with one of your wiring when you pull it out, all you have to do is insert the patch cord back in, and you'll know exactly which 2 wires it is that maybe you messed up on. You got to take into account the older jack fields only have 5 pins going across, and the newer ones have 6. And we are only utilizing 5 wires. So you got to make sure on the new jack fields you skip the S column. And it's real easy to forget when you're in the middle wire wrap it and accidentally put it on the wrong one. So be real aware of that. But once you get them all pulled out and you're still all green, you can test your circuit once again, make sure everything's good. And that's pretty much it. And the rest is just clean up the documentation. All right, thanks guys.